Okay, how about some state flowers? I never heard of them before, but better start guessing. Look at this. How much I'm getting wrong here. So far I got one perfectly right. I'm just making this up because I don't know any state birds at all whatsoever. So I'm just going through this fast. Wow, I'm really dumb as fuck with these. A. So dumb. %. State flowers. Oh, it was state flowers, I'm sorry. It wasn't state birds. Wow. Okay. Oh, that was a good guess. I don't even know some of these birds. Ohio. Georgia. Okay. It's not Roadrunner. Roadrunner would probably be in Colorado because I know Wile E. and Coyote. Wile E. Coyote and Roadrunner. They're in an environment that looks like Colorado. The Great Grand Canyon, however you say it. So... oh wow, I don't even know what the heck a Neen is. Eastern. A bluebird, wow. A bluebird in New York. And New York isn't even that beautiful. Yeah, I'm gonna start getting terrible with these. %, so I got worse every time. Well, that's it for this stuff.